Hey guys, welcome back to Investing with Chris. My name is Chris and we have to talk about LiveXlive. Okay, we do know that LiveXlive is one of my favorite companies and my favorite stocks that I've been holding for quite some time now. I'm actually up around 75% on my investment with LiveXlive. Now, for those of you that don't know what LiveXlive is, they are basically a platform or a company that helps with music streamings and have many different things inside this company. For example, podcasts, they sell clothes and merchandise and basically help different artists to promote and market themselves. Okay, so this is a huge platform, and they're also even in developments to try and take over Spotify's position in streaming music. Okay, and they are also streaming music videos, so that's something that's very different, and I always believe that their philosophy and their business idea could really make them a lot of money long term. Now, this company is not a profitable company. This is strictly speculative, but when I first started investing into it, it was just a lot of hype and there was a lot of positive things going around with them. But now one major thing has happened. Okay, but I'm gonna give you guys all the details. If this is something you like and you do enjoy, please try to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. Now, guys, if you haven't heard of LiveXlive, LiveXlive is a company that did partner up with Austin Mcbroom in doing Social Gloves. Okay, now Social Gloves was basically a battle of the platforms, TikTokers versus YouTubers, and the big main event was Austin Mcbroom versus this guy, the famous meme that was "I'm not a fighter," and then him saying that he is a fighter, and that whole big controversy, and it did get a lot of streams. Now, the big thing about this was LiveXlive was supposed to stream and make, help them promote everything. But something in the works has been going on. Social Gloves filed for bankruptcy because they didn't and couldn't afford to pay the fighters because they had no funds. Their projections for how many tickets we're going to sell, how many pay-per-views we're going to sell, didn't meet expectations. Okay, so now that's one of the big things. But regards to LiveXlive, its stock price, guys, you can see that right now they're trading for $3.50. In the past 5 trading days, it's been pretty volatile. It's been very up and down. Now, the big news that has been happening, happened today in less than 24 hours. But if we take a look at the past year to date, you can actually see that LiveXlive is positive. Not too much, but it's still kind of positive. And just a year ago, they're trading for as low as $1.84 and hit a high of around $6. Okay, but even then, if you guys start investing into it around the lows, you still kind of doubled your money. So it's a pretty good investment or good return on investment if you guys have invested into LiveXlive so far. Now, they do have a market cap of $271.43 million with a beta of 1.65, meaning it's very, very volatile. There are people that do believe it's extremely overvalued, but yet many analysts do believe it is a 1.8 in Yahoo Finance, meaning it is a strong buy, and even have a target price of around $11 and a low of around $7 with an average of $8.33. And right now its current price is $3.50, so it could still increase around $5 if the projections stay in course. Okay, now before I continue, I do want to mention LiveXlive is not a profitable company whatsoever. But the big thing is, guys, I do believe in LiveXlive long term. Okay, but right now, short term is what really is kind of worrying me because there are a lot of people that do swing trade. There are short term investors, and it's just to make sure they don't lose any money and just to give you guys a little background to what's been going on. So, because of the flop that Social Gloves actually did, there was no real word to why Social Gloves did file for bankruptcy until today. Austin Mcbroom said that Social Gloves is finally suing their partner LiveXlive. Okay, Austin Mcbroom finally opens up on bankruptcy allegations and blames business partner for delayed pay. Now, they are basically saying LiveXlive is at fault. They are the ones that tricked us into saying we could get all these pay-per-view sales, all these benefits, all this money, and it didn't turn out that way. So supposedly, to the video that he said in the interview, he's saying that LiveXlive are the people that are holding the boxers' money. Austin Mcbroom files lawsuit against LiveXlive over Social Gloves boxing event. Now, this was a pretty big thing, but let me just read you guys a little bit of a piece, okay? In the lead up to the event, LiveXlive allegedly showed Mcbroom financial models which projected more than $1 million in pay-per-view sales performances at $50 a piece plus fees and $5 million in projected sponsorship sales, generating as much as $62 million in total. By missing the sales target and only generating $6.5 million in revenue, the battle platform is facing an estimated $10 million revenue shortfall. Okay, now here's where the trickery or the fraudulent side actually comes in, because LiveXlive told them, look, we could sell $62 million in profit. You guys see that they are down $10 million, okay, which is not good whatsoever. Now, in Social Gloves, they did also fight in the same arena where Floyd Mayweather and Logan Paul actually fought. So maybe they were trying to use that hype, and to getting more ticket sales as well. And here's where Elin says karma comes back to bite you. Now, this last statement, guys, is very, very amusing. I'm going to read it again. And the final scorecard has been left with crippling financial debt. The talented fighters are owed substantial amounts, and LiveXlive has walked away from its breaches of contract and torturous conduct with no depth and a competing brand, which it was able to build using the money from their other partnerships. LiveXlive has also allegedly warned Mcbroom to stop investigating the matter, claiming that it has allegedly deformity statements in resulting $100 million in damages to LiveXlive. Now, LiveXlive is also net loss in overall company. They are negative $169 million since going public in the market in 2017. Now, what does this actually say about LiveXlive as a stock and as a company? Now, this does not look good for the company whatsoever. They're already down $170 million in debt. If they lose this lawsuit for, let's say $100 million plus whatever they're losing right now consistently, it could really start to build up a lot of debt for this company. They could file for bankruptcy, and basically this company could, vanish. So anybody that is invested into this company could lose a lot of money, short term. Now, how well can they recover after this? And if can they recover, that's a real big question mark. We just have to see what's going on with this lawsuit. And if you guys would like, make sure you hit that like button. I will update you guys every step of the way. They have not updated or commented so far. If we go to LiveXlive official website, you can actually see that there are no official press releases or official statements from anybody from their side just yet. I'm pretty sure we will be getting some sort of information in the near future, but once they do, you guys will be the first ones to know. That's basically what's going on with LiveXlive. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Are you guys running away from it? Are you guys selling, buying more? Is it all hype? What's going on? All right, guys, so thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more and more content like this. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Salutes to you all, and